Yo, I just wanted to make another video here as an update. So it's now definitely a lot more of snow in the mixture. Um, and you can hear it, whether that's it hitting the trees or I think that's what that is because wind doesn't normally make that sound against the leaves. Um, and you can see that oh wow, sun's just blowing by the house here and off the top. And there's actually some like right in the windowsill, like on the outside of the window, and I mean that's you can make a snowball even. Um, so definitely not normal Houston weather. You look this way. So yeah, it's supposed to continue this for a little while. I could see, reasonably there being an inch on the ground if it really does continue until 9 a.m. It's only 2:30. So originally the forecast said the snow wasn't going to be here until maybe 4. So I think we're in for some accumulation. Which here in, this is accumulation here in Houston, Texas, where it hasn't snowed in like at least 3 years, and prior to 2021, if I can't think it. I believe maybe the last time that it snowed was when I was in middle school or something. I mean, and it wasn't even this much. Like this much would have already surpassed when I was younger. So I personally didn't really see snow accumulation where I lived until I moved to Dallas for a little while. And I'd been on vacation to Lake Tahoe, and when it snows there, it actually snows. But here in Texas, when I was living in Dallas, like the first year, it snowed. There's a crazy snowstorm, and actually several of the years that I lived in Dallas, now that I think about it, there was ice or snow apocalypses. Just a very interesting scene because this is very abnormal for Houston, Texas. Very. And this is the guy, like, you see me do lightning stuff, like, literally affect the lightning on a regular. And also, weather does seem to act weird around me. Like, when I'm thinking about it, the years that I was in Dallas, it snowed like, I think it was a historic snow in Dallas, particularly the first year. So, in like 2009. So, yeah, cool. I think I'll make a video maybe tomorrow or like right before I go to bed. And this is just an update, and you'll be able to see how much it is later on. So cool. All right, well, hope you enjoyed. Have a blessed one. Catch you next time. Later. Yeah.